Okay, back here with the F-150, and I've removed the passenger leaf spring and everything else except for the driver's side, and I'll show you why. Leaf spring hanger, for one thing, is toast. Once I started trying to get this bolt out, it started to crumble, so I just stopped right there. Did some research, found that they have replacements, and I bought some today. So that's where I'm at so far. Alright. Idea behind cutting this bolt off here is to cut it like a pie. So I just used my angle grinder here. Most people would have probably cut here, but it's gonna take forever for you to cut through the head of the bolt, and then you're not even guaranteed that you get to the shoulder of the bolt. So just turn the angle grinder this way, make a few pie cuts, and again, had help from my favorite hammer, and let me find it. Here, my favorite chisel. Just been through a lot, but man, it helps me a lot. So yeah, I just take this chisel here and my hammer, smash on the back of that, and all these pieces just fly off. And I wanted to just let you guys have a look to see how I did it before I have everything apart and then tell you about it. So make pie cuts, smash pieces off. Even if you're having a bit of trouble getting some pieces off, it's got some channel locks and you can grip on there and just twist them off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but get the idea. Okay. Okay, just twisted it off like that. That's how it looks. I'm gonna try and smash from this side. Hot, shit. I'm gonna smash on here and try to drive it out. I doubt it's gonna work because it's... Fuck, focus. Okay. That bolt's pretty seized in there. Alright. Yeah, I wasn't moving out of that sleeve at all. I had this pin setter that I was using for concrete anchors, and I was just trying to put it through that hole and smash on here to drive that bolt out, but it's not going anywhere. So all I did was take the channel locks and grab on the side of this ear here and just bent it out of the way. Yeah, toast. Look, I'm glad I'm replacing them now, and should be able just to slide out. Ow, I say should. Okay. Yeah, took my trusty favorite hammer. I smashed on here. And shit, slide right out. There it goes. Great success. Yeah. I wish you guys make these gloves fire retardant. It's from the sparks from the grinder, or angle grinder. Cutting this old leaf spring hanger off. What I started off with is the cutoff wheel, the thin one. And I just went at it from the side, cut through. They're real soft, easy to cut through, and I don't care about this hanger no more. It's garbage. Usually you would drill a hole in the center of the rivet and then like a smaller hole and then step it up to a bigger drill bit. And you drill that rivet out. Some guys chisel it, but just does a nicer job when you drill it. Doesn't leave any marks around there, especially if you're working on a newer vehicle. I'm sure you don't want to make it look ugly. You gotta be almost a surgeon with this kind of stuff. Think like a surgeon. And you just step it up to the grinding wheel, a thicker disc, and you just grind down the rest of the rivet until you get down there, get down to the metal there, and yeah, I just took my trusty hammer again and just smashed on it right there, and that side popped off real easy. So I'm about to grind the rest of the rivets off here and give that a smash with my trusty hammer, and that'll be it for this. Alright, got that leaf spring hanger out. That one rivet just kind of basically fell out. I think I'll try to drill these out or grind the rest of that down and just pop them out. Getting darker outside. Don't know if you'll be able to see this, but got the rivets popped out. You can't see the top ones, but they're popped out. Threw some paint on there while the metal is still hot. It's just some, what is it? It's a satin finish caliper paint. Should be good enough. Probably call it a day. Do the other side tomorrow. Moved on to this passenger side leaf spring hanger, and I used the drill method this time instead of cutting and grinding the rivets off. But what I did first is these rivets had an extreme like dome to them, so I just got the angle grinder. I cut them kind of flat first real quick, and then I took a 1/4 inch first and pre-drilled. Didn't go through all the way, just enough to go past like the thickness of this bracket or hanger, sorry. And then I took a 5/8 bit, I think, to the 1/4 inch hole and just made it bigger. And what that does is it makes drills out the rivet large enough to clear this hole, so the shoulder of that rivet isn't hanging on or grabbing onto. You can see kind of like that circle where the rivet was hanging on to it. Yeah, and of course, again, my two friends, my favorite hammer, And my chisel. Helped me out lots. I just smashed on there, and you can see that side popped off already, and I'm about to smash the rest of it off. I just wanted to do this before I did and tell you guys about the drill method. And I got this hanger on the driver's side, obviously, because I was just on the passenger side, but yeah, that's how that looks. Straightforward, just bolt it on. I'm pretty sure, like, if you're doing this and you find resistance on the nuts going on the threads of this bolt, I think the nuts are designed to kind of cross thread so they don't back off on you. But I don't know, a couple thousand kilometers or so after this kit's done, and go underneath again and just make sure everything's tight. And yeah, might call it a day soon. The sun's going down. I hate working with the trouble light and dealing with all the shadows and stuff, but we'll see. I'm kind of motivated just to get it done. Yeah. Okay. See? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Fuck, these guys are so annoying, man. I'm flying around fucking same area for an hour. Trying to concentrate, do my fucking work. Wasting taxpayers' money on avgas or whatever the fuck. Look, he's coming back around. Oh. Yeah, maybe go look over there. Fuck, man. Anyways. Got that hanger in. I think I'm gonna call it. Yeah. Almost there though. By the time I clean up all this crap, it's gonna be pitch black. Me and the wife had a tailgate party out here. Made her a chair and stuff to sit in. Yeah. Lots of stuff today. Good progress. That was the most time-consuming part. I don't know, I didn't show you guys the shackles. Toasty toe. Even this one, you could see the sleeve inside there. It's all oval and it's like real thin, like right there, just wearing on the bolt. Crazy. Yeah, it's a good thing I changed them. Yeah, by the time I get this all cleaned up, all the tools put away, it's gonna be pitch black. Yeah, good day today. Feeling happy. I'd like to finish this thing tomorrow. Get it on the ground. And then start the fun. Start the front end. Ugh.